here we are going to Hin Sam Wan, whatever it's called. This is my guide. What's your name?
My name is A.
A. Okay. Okay. My driver is Mr. Udon. So we ordinary tourists are not allowed to go up here on our own. So we have to take this pickup truck to take us up here. The ride costs 500 baht. Whether there are 10 people inside or just one like myself. The lady guide shows you around where to take pictures, what to look for, what is interesting or not. So they told me they're expecting rain within an hour, so we better get up fast and fly some drone. By the way, if you want to fly a drone here, you are required to obtain the permission from the government, but they told me they will look at the other way because I don't have permits, and I'm really keen to fly the drone over here. So okay, it's very steep road through the bamboo forest, and how many kilometers to
5
get?
kilometers.
5 kilo.
Go after.
Oh wow. Here we are at the viewpoint. She said I gotta fly the thing like a witch to make some crazy ass photo. So I have to do that.
1, 2, 3.
And I jump?
Okay.
Okay. So I'll be witch flying over the Mekong River over there. The other side of the river you see is Laos, our communist neighbors. Oh, yeah, also dangerous. Ooh. Ooh. So this is the point where the cars are parked. Okay, here we are, 3 whales. So this is called Bar whale. Well, I assume that is a whale, a baby whale. X.